Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about agronomy. Let's. The de-hulled rice grain is known as brown rice. Test weight of basmati rice is 21 gram. Rice crop needs hot and humid climate. Which crop use the biofertilizer as BGA? Rice. Hybrid rice for commercial production was first evolved in China. Which gas released from paddy field? Methane or CH4? Which crops cause maximum reduction in soil alkalinity? Paddy. The seed rate of bold grain variety of rice to raise seedling enough for 1 hectare 20 to 25 kg. Odisha summer or spring season rice is known as Dalua. The most suitable soil for rice cultivation is clay or clay loam. What is hulling percentage of rice is 75%. The area needed for rice seedling for depot method is 1 hectare is 25 to 30 square meter. Browning season in rice is physiological disease. Which rice variety containing DG gene IR8? The polish percentage of paddy is 2%. Suitable crops for saline soil, rice and sugar beet. In India, which region is called rice bowl? Krishna Godavari Delta region. The most suitable variety of wheat for late sown condition, Sonalika. The center of origin of wheat is Southwest Asia. The most suitable variety of wheat for rain-fed condition, Mukta. The temporary roots in wheat root system are seminal root. The normal seed rate of wheat is 100 kg per hectare. Which country ranks second in the wheat production? India and first China. Indicator plant of copper is wheat. The inflorescence of wheat is known as ear. Which is most important grain crop in the world? Wheat. Substance responsible for the bread making quality of wheat is gluten. Which is 2-row barley Hordeum distinctum? The most suitable temperature for the growth of maize is 32 degrees Celsius. Which cereal is not tillering in nature? Maize. Variety of maize having high quantity of lysine, Shakti. Which is CSH1 hybrid variety of jowar, coordinated sorghum hybrid. In maize crop, duff stage comes at when grain becomes milk. Most suitable temperature for growth of maize is 32 degrees Celsius. Maize protein is deficient in tryptophan and lysine. How many number of irrigation is required for maize? 6. Which crop is used as a fodder and grain? Bajra. Which grain said to be poor man's food? Ragi. Sorghum seeds are technically called as caryopsis. Most important field crop growing in Rabi as well as in Kharif in North India is Bajra. Which is the most exhaustive crop? Maize. Soybean seeds contain 20% oil and 40% protein. Soybean is originated from China. The optimum temperature for the germination of soybean is 22 degrees Celsius. Which crop is called poor man's pulse in China? Soybean. The latest botanical name of green gram is Bigna radiata. Soybean is introduced in India from USA in 1960. Optimum seed rate of soybean is 70 to 80 kg. Black gram is originated in India. Which variety of mung bean is suitable for cultivation both during rainy and summer season? Type 4 या पोसा बैसाखी. Jadia and Jwala variety developed from Jobner. The soybean crop can be intercropped with maize. The pH of suitable for soybean cultivation 6 to 7.5. Bragg is a variety of soybean. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.